One of the most common questions that I get asked about Node Version Manager since 2015 has been simply, why is the Node.js version that I selected not persisting when I restart my terminal? Particularly when the user issued the NVM use and then the Node version command. Here's the quick answer. You have to issue the NVM alias default and then default to whatever Node.js version that you wish to pin as your default, like so. Now, presuming that you have already used NVM to install this particular Node.js version. And as you can see here, you can use either the NVM list command or the NVM ls command to list out of the installed Node.js version you have in your machine. If you are working on multiple Node.js applications and one of your customers is using a very old version of Node.js to power either their front end or back end, or perhaps both, and you do not want to change your default Node.js version, or you do not want to switch your Node.js version, in that case, you can simply issue the nvm exec command and then the version of Node that you wish to run, and then the command to start that application or whatever command you wish to, npm command you wish to issue. If you understand how to configure .nvmrc file or bash rc file or zrc files, you can create this function to automatically detect the node version that is specified in your NVMRC file every time you switch to that particular project. Again, only if you're comfortable with that kind of setup. Otherwise, you can use the command line commands that I taught you earlier. I'll provide a link to this in the video description. Now, in case you stumble upon this video and have no idea what Node Version Manager is, NVM is basically a tool that you can use to install multiple versions of Node.js so that you can select which version of Node you want to run with a particular front-end or back-end project. NVM is independent from Node.js itself, but as you can see here in the official Node.js documentation, NVM is recommended by Node.js. There are already a ton of tutorial videos on how to set up NVM, so I won't belabor the point. Please like and subscribe. If you like my content, it doesn't cost you a penny.